Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Rizwan Siani, coming at you from the Universal Alpha, where everyone's in Alpha. Alright, so this is I'd say, video 2 is about I say maybe 2 or 3 of no drinking. It's been 3 or 4 days since I've had no alcohol, but it's also been day 2 of my recorded journey of a 30-day streak of no alcohol. Okay, so and if you don't know what this channel is about, it's just basically about me and my journey of trying to quit alcohol. Okay, I just thought I'd like do a vlog about it and just really just show people what it's like without it and how to overcome the obstacles of trying to quit alcohol and that kind of stuff, right? One thing for me was that people always used to like when I was looking at how to quit alcohol, was people that would do it would show like their 30 days video at the end. Like they wouldn't show you the days up, right? The days up to that 30 days. They would say, oh, after 30 days, blah, 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 I did this and I felt this great and blah, 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 right? And some people made it look so easy, but in reality, it's kind of tough, okay? So I'm just going to get through it, get right into it, and then I'm going to grab something to eat. So today was a really hot summer day. Okay, it was like beautiful weather. It was perfect patio weather. It was great. Things were good, and I just been working around the house all day, just trying to do laundry, get stuff done, that kind of thing. And in the back of my head, I was like, man, when I went outside, I'm like, man, it's so nice out. What am I just chilling with a six pack and sitting on the patio, or just chilling around, right? I even actually went to a festival in Port Credit, uh, near my house, and they had a nice patio there too. And I saw so many people just sitting there chilling, hanging out on the patio, having a few beers, bucket of Coronas, whatever. And I was like, man, that looks so nice. Like looks really, really nice, right? But then I was just like, the way I overcame it was, one, I was with my family, so I didn't really even have like time to go sit down on a patio or anything. Two, yes, I could have gone down to the beer store, which is literally 5 steps away from my house. Like it takes me about 20 seconds to walk there, and I could have came back with a six pack. I still even feel like doing it, right? But at the same time, I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, if I went up until now, where I went the whole day since morning without alcohol, without beer, then maybe I can go the whole night, right? So I mean, I've already gone this far. Why not just keep going? I will say this as well too, that because I didn't drink last night, I actually feel a little bit energetic. Now I didn't like spring out of bed, like some people say, right? But I did feel a little bit energetic. I do still feel like I have some energy left in me and some output. So I'm going to be working on this vlog, as well as a few other things that I want to get done around the house and around my business as well too. So, and I know that if I was drinking, I wouldn't be doing that. If I was smoking, I wouldn't be doing that, right? I'd just be like literally going out right now, kicking back, popping open a beer and just smoking back a cigarette, and I feel like crap, and I would stink as well too, right? So you gotta so when you're trying to do this thing of quitting alcohol and quitting the bad habits, you got to try and look at what you're trying, or what are the benefits of it and what are the bad aspects of it, right? Of quitting those things, right? So number one, for smoking, you won't stink as much. Your clothes won't stink. Your hands won't stink. You won't have to go wash your hands after every cigarette, and then spray cologne and all that crap. And still, it won't even actually get it out, right? Quitting drinking, you'll actually wake up lighter and better. You'll actually wake up a little bit more refreshed. You'll have more energy throughout the day. You won't get that crash that comes, because that's actually what happens with a lot of beer and stuff, is that you get that high, you get that buzz, and then next thing you know, boom, you get that sugar rush crash, and it just goes downhill, right? Um, I will say this though, I did kind of replace it though with like juices. So I was drinking a lot of pop, like soda pop, like ginger ale, Coca Cola, that kind of thing, and I've never actually touched that stuff in like 10 years as well. But I started to kind of switch it to that, so maybe I've like kind of alternated it. But and I know that that's not even that great as well either, but it's still a lot healthier than alcohol, especially beer, right? I was so my three choices today was tomato juice, extra spicy, kind of like a Caesar, uh, natural gold leaf iced tea. It actually tastes really good. I was really surprised, and ginger ale. So those are my three poisons that I replaced alcohol with. Now, problem with it though is that I keep drinking like I think I've had at least like like 3 or 4 glasses, right? Small glasses. So not too big, but still, you do feel it after a while, right? So I just gotta remember to replace it with a lot of water, right? So my tip for you is if you're trying to stop an addiction or something, replace it with something else, right? And yes, it's a sugary drink. Yes, I know it's not good for you, but at least it'll help you cope with the first few days to weeks of not having that addictive substance, right? So in my case, beer, right? What else? I didn't smoke weed today. I actually did not. I'm kind of like want to, but at the same time, I kind of don't. I want to work on some stuff, and I don't want to be lightheaded. Don't want to have that foggy feeling. So I'd rather be clear-headed. So I wouldn't mind just not going like just going without it, right? And I actually found that when I like normally when I would wake up on a Saturday, I would do a wake and bake. Saturday, Sunday, do a wake and bake. Throughout the day, do another half a little pinner or something. And I found that today I actually felt really good without it. I felt like I could enjoy my life better. I felt like I could be more present with my family, with my daughter, and I really just want that feeling, right? I was also more aware. There were times that yes, I was tired. And I was like, oh my gosh, I just like there, you just want to roll one right now, and just light up and get that energy back. But I took a shower instead. I took a really cold shower, and it helped. It did help actually. It made me feel more energized, made me feel better, and hopefully I'll be able to get through the next 3 to 4 hours throughout the night. So yeah, so that's pretty good. So I'd say it's a good day 2 to 3 so far. Yeah, not sure else what to say about this, but just that keep it real. If you're trying to stop something, replace it with something else, and really push yourself to do it. I live right across the beer store, and when I took my daughter out to the park, I could have gone out to the beer store and literally picked up 6 pack, and I was actually tempted to, right? But I opted for the juice instead. I opted for a $4.50 bottle of juice compared to a $13 to $15 bottle 6 pack of beer, right? Few calories. Each beer has about 200 calories. You do the math, right? 60 calories compared to 200 calories per beer, right? So yeah. So this is Rizwan Siani saying thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. I really hope you like my videos, like my series, and I really hope you get something out of this. I'm really gonna try and make these videos on a daily basis, and keep them under 10 to 15 minutes, so I don't keep you here as long. And yeah, man, just if you need help, drop a comment down below. Drop down one of your challenges that you're trying to stop, right? I'll respond to everyone, and I'll help you out in the best way that I can. I'm not a therapist, but I'm just a guy who's gone through a lot of shit, right? So that being said, this is Rizwan Siani from Universal Alpha saying everyone's an alpha. Peace out, brother.